So that being said, if you have no problem with that, please continue to enjoy the show. Otherwise, you can check out. But we do try to provide as many receipts as possible. And I appreciate you, Tyler, for even calling me, even though I cuss you out regularly, for calling me and asking me a series of questions. But going back to what you said originally is you said you've learned a lot. And I'm not a genius at any way, in any way, shape, fashion, or form. What I just happen to do, I have a story, like all of us do. And what I did is I just shared it with people. And although I do have services that I provide, I tell people we've done how many shows, Chris, how many shows do you think we've done?
Not enough.
Probably did over like 100 shows, probably.
Right. Well, not enough. You know, he ain't gonna get me to keep on.
Not enough.
We're not doing that, bro. What's up, J Dub?
Hey,
Josh, what's going on, man?
But listen, though, understand this, right?
What's happening, Dirk Red?
What's going on, man? Up here with Tyler. Tyler aggravating ass got me up this morning, and so I decided to do this. And I talked to guys before about doing, because I don't know what else to do. I tell you, I don't know how to teach you how to remake a hamburger. It's a hamburger. The process is the process. But Tyler has called me, and you know that Tyler got his noon prone tunk, as you can see on here. The court, here's the order where the court granted his motion to vacate, and as you can see, his case has actually been dismissed with prejudice to all prior orders entered in this case, and hereby vacated with prejudice. And what we try to do is, you know, Josh, we've done about how many shows? Chris said about 100. We've done about what? 60, 70 shows easy, or from the child support basics to everything else, correct?
Yes.
That's right.
Yeah.
Would you agree with Tyler when he says that if people just go through the same things, I show you all what I learned, even as in my role as a paralegal or a legal assistant, I bring the same information to you all and hold you to the standard that I was kind of held to when I was doing it. When I do it for attorneys or for the attorney I used to work with, because I didn't work for anybody. It was always independent. But would you agree that if a person just puts in the work, they could get the same kind of information out of it? Josh?
Yes, sir. Actually, Greg, I'm glad you mentioned that. I actually got a case coming up in the 5th DCA for my previous what you was into or whatever. Yeah, you was at the case or whatever. But what I found out from you, and you're gonna have another winning testimony here real soon, because I know I'm gonna win this.